What is the weight of a 20.3 gram European swallow? Well, again, the weight is mg. Right? We just multiply the mass by the gravitational field constant, right? So that's going to be 0.0203 kilograms times 9.81 newtons per kilogram. 0.0203 times that. By the way, I'm just dividing by 1,000, right? Times 9.81. Whoever did the whole thing, like move the decimal point over, really messed me up. Okay, so the weight of this poor guy is 0.199143 newtons. Of course, we only have 3 sig figs, right? So newtons. Okay, so that's the weight, that's the mass. This is mass. This is weight. Okay?